Now you try to simplify 3 whole number 1 over 3 plus 2 over 5 plus 6 whole number 1 over 3. You can pause the video and try this out yourself. Then you compare your result with the solution gotten at the end of this video. I believe the first thing you will do is to convert those that are mixed fraction into improper fractions. That is, 3 whole number 1 over 3 would become 3 times 3 plus 1 over 3, which would give us 10 over 3. And then 6 whole number 1 over 3 would become 3 times 6 plus 1 over 3, which is 19 over 3. So the fractions we are then adding becomes 10 over 3 plus 2 over 5, 2 over 5 plus 19 over 3. Now remember, the LCM of 3, 5, and 3 is what you need. So the LCM of 3, 5, and 3 would give us 15. So now we can write 10 over 3 plus 2 over 5 plus 19 over 3 would give us the common LCM, that is 15. Our common denominator will be the LCM, which is 15. Now for the first fraction, we'll perform 15 divided by the denominator, which is 3, and then multiply that by 10, plus to the second fraction it will be 15 divided by 5 multiplied by 2, and then to the third fraction it will be 15 divided by 3 multiplied by 19. Now this would give us 15 divided by 3, that is 5 multiplied by 10, plus 15 divided by 5 will give us 3 multiplied by 2, plus 15 divided by 3 will give us 5 multiplied by 19, all over 15. Now what is 5 times 10? That is 50, plus 3 times 2, 6, plus 5 times 19. 5 times 9 will give you 45, so we write 5, carry the 4. 5 times 1 is 5, plus 4, that is 9. So we have 95 over 15. And this would give us, when we add it together, 5 plus 6 is 56. 56 plus 95. That would give us 151. Now let's bring this into mixed fraction. We know that 15 times 10 will give us 150. That means 15 will go in 151 10 times. Remainder 1. So we have 10 whole number 1 over 15. Therefore, we conclude by saying 3 whole number 1 over 3 plus 2 over 5 plus 6 whole number 1 over 3 gives us 10 whole number 1 over 15. I believe that you have also arrived at this same answer. You can practice more on this, testing your skills out with other fractions. Try to add them up. You can spice it up by putting in some mixed fractions and some proper fractions, and then try to add them using this method. Thank you.